Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
Come spend a few days with me. Honestly, y'all, some of the most God and healing moments happen in the most boring parts of my day. Let's go.
Girl, my mornings used to start with me checking his page before I even got out of bed. But now, my mornings start with me feeding myself first, literally and emotionally. This is what taking care of future me looks like. Decentering him meant learning to plan for myself the way I used to plan around him. Nobody talks about how healing is just doing the unglamorous stuff, cleaning my own space for myself, not for anyone else to see. This is what a soft life actually looks like. Not aesthetic, just peace. I used to feel guilty resting or taking care of my space just for me. Now, I remind myself God cares about the small, boring parts of my life too. This is worship in its own way.
My tire is flat again. I'm gonna have to get my tire changed or something. I don't know if I got a nail in it. I don't know what's going on for real, but I know I need to get it fixed because every time I come out the daggone house, it's always air out of the tire. So before I even think about going anywhere, I'm gonna have to put some air in this daggone tire. Once I put the air in it now, hopefully it doesn't get like this again, so that way I can just pull off when I go home. So yeah, but I think I am going to get me a brownie because my sister just got a craving for something sweet. And what I normally do when I go to the store for Chick-fil-A, when I order my food or whatever, I just order it online, go pick it up, instead of doing DoorDash, because basically what I used to do is do DoorDash all the daggone time, and all of them fees for real, they add up. Like seriously, they can add the heck up, and then it's just better, and then you can get points. So when you order online, you get points um from Chick-fil-A or whatever, and you can get stuff free. So that's what I do. Today I got me a brownie and I got me a frosted lemonade. Those frosted lemonades, y'all, they be hitting for real, for real. They be hitting. I used my points for the brownie. I'm on my way back to the job now because it's 3:05 and I have to be. I'm going back in at 3:15, so I got 10 minutes left. But yeah.
I tell you, Mom, I'm never gonna take them off.
She said she got a lot of compliments today on her shoes.
Like a whole more than a paragraph. Santa's Christmas list. The bus driver, the teachers, the first graders, the third graders, the fourth graders, the fifth graders. Every single grade.
I'm quite sure I told you guys, but our dryer is not working. So I got clothes hanging everywhere. yeah, clothes, stuff just hanging everywhere. Hey you guys, so we just made it in the house. Today we decided to go to Wingstop because for one, I don't feel like cooking, and then for two, my lights in the kitchen, come on, so I got to put in a work order. Is a spark. I don't know if you saw that, but every time I try to turn this light on, it doesn't
do anything.
It doesn't work. They gotta come and fix it because yeah, it's not working right. But we are on our way to Wingstop because it's just gonna be a little bit too much trying to cook in the dark. The world's cold, I know, and your heart's no different. Who you going to want you, and who you been so miss you. Yeah, that is huge. That's a nice size one right there. Chicken tenders. You gonna get some? Chill out. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. Hey you guys. So we are basically on our way to Chuck E. Cheese. To be honest, I purchased a Groupon a little while ago, and basically, I honestly forgot about it. I forgot about it. So we are headed there now because today is the last day to use it. So yeah, we're on our way. So yeah, I don't want to lose, my money. You know how Groupon, I'm not sure how, if y'all know, but Groupon, if you purchase something on there and the time expires, then basically you lose your money. Like, I don't want that to happen. And it also gives the kids a, fun time as well. So today is Friday. I just got off of work not too long ago. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there. Wait up, it's time to get your heart together and stop playing. You know the truth, you know the world, you know we love you like unconditional. You know you got, we have that spiritual.
And girl, this, my kids, joy. This is a huge part of why I'm doing this healing work. It's not just for me, but for them too. I want to be the best example for them to see.
Hey you guys, we just got in the house not too long ago, and we had to leave early because they had a water main break and nobody could use the bathroom, so they had to close early. As soon as it was time for us that we had to use the bathroom, we go to the daggone bathroom like, why is the bathroom shut up? Why is the bathroom blocked off? Like, we can't go in there. So I had asked somebody like what was going on, and they said basically it was a water main break. So we wound up going to the Safeway bathroom instead of Chuck E. Cheese bathroom. But when I first went in there, I was not able to use my my Groupon. I'm like, cause the app was just like, it was just acting crazy on me. So it's a good thing I had brought two phones. So yeah, they basically had a special going on. Can go as many times as you want throughout the summer, because I think it ends in September. I had got the package at first, which was the bronze package, and then I did not want my Groupon to cancel, so I went on the app, right, and they basically was saying that I couldn't like refund it or whatever because it was like marked on sale or something they were saying. I had to speak to the manager. I wound up using my Groupon. He basically combined two of them together. The package that I got along with my Groupon, combined them together, which upgraded my package. So instead of bronze, I got the silver package, which basically means that they can go throughout the summer, and it's supposed to be 100 points instead of 40, because that 40 was the bronze. So it's 100 points per time they come, and it's supposed to be 30% off any like food or whatever else it is. But those are the differences. It's 40 points and then it's 100 points. So I got the 100-point one. But when I went on my app, basically it still said bronze. So the manager took my information down or whatever. And I'm just waiting at this point. I'm waiting because it still say bronze. So I still have my receipt, making sure I keep that, because like I want what I paid for. Seriously, I want what I paid for. I'm tired as I don't know what. I am tired. I need to edit. I need to get some rest because tomorrow I have a long day, and then we gotta start packing. So, and then it's 3 hours. 3 hours to get to Pennsylvania. I thought it was only going to be an hour. But it's 3 hours to get to where the heck we need to go. And I'm the only one driving. So, I need my rest. I definitely need my rest. But yeah, I'm about to change my clothes, get myself together for bed, because the sister is tired and I definitely need me some rest.
Okay, so today wasn't anything special on paper. Breakfast, cleaning, taking the kids to Chuck E. Cheese, but that's kind of the point. Healing isn't always some big dramatic moment. A lot of it is just showing up for the boring stuff, taking care of myself, taking care of my kids, trusting God with everything else I can't control. If today reminded you that your ordinary, unglamorous days matter too, I see you. Follow along because we're figuring this out one regular day at a time. Healing in His timing.